Yet another Chevelle, and this thing is nastier than a 90-year-old stripper with dementia and one leg at the same time. He said, you know what? Yeah, I ain't satisfied with this. We finna take it up a notch. Voila! We have a very, very, very nice looking Chevelle. This thing has a 468 stroker with a 400 trans. Your mother in a pair of high heels don't sit as nice as this Chevelle does. And let's not forget to mention the interior is cleaner than an Atlanta stripper's health records. I told y'all time and time again, these damn big wheel cars are basically drag cars with luxury clothing on. Like, there's no other way to put it. They're not just taking big ass wheels, putting it on the first old school they find, and then repainting it. Damn, it's done. No, they're doing body off frame restorations and shit like that. You know, bracing the chassis just in case they want to add about 2,000 damn horsepower. But in this case, like, bro, this is a show car / race car through and through. I like that it's tight. Looks real good under there. Bro, this thing nastier than a 5-year-old hands under a microscope. This thing nastier than the pastor's wife selling coochie on Christian Mingle. Bro, listen, I don't care how big of a cam you put in an LS. It will never sound as good as a big block. Are big blocks heavy and high as hell to build? Yes, they are. Are LS engines affordable? Yes, but it will never have the torque or the grunt that these big blocks have. This 468 ain't nothing to play with. If you want to know more about this beautiful Chevelle, make sure you go to Instagram and follow the owner, A1_process on Instagram, aka Cousin Pete. Yeah, love you guys. See you in the next video.